students. So in previous classes we have studied about the various types of micromolecules and the macromolecules. We spoke about the DNA, we spoke about the RNA, we spoke about the carbohydrates, we spoke about the proteins, we spoke about the lipids. Now I am going to deal a very important part of the human physiology, that is, or the chemical, that is your enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but proteins, but not all, right? So all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. I repeat, all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. Now how you do that? What are enzymes? Enzymes act as a biocatalyst that were discovered in the East for the first time, mostly proteinaceous except the ribozymes that are the RNA molecule acting as an enzyme. All enzymes have an active site where the substrate comes and fit in. Substrate, a chemical to be converted into the product. What is substrate? For example, the carbohydrate. When you talk about the substrate, I am giving you the example. For example, the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate act as a substrate which will be broken down with the help of amylase enzyme into the sugar. Simple sugar, or you call it as a glucose. So this is your substrate, and sugar will be, or the glucose will be your product. Is it clear? So the study of enzymes is known as your enzymology. Okay? Now, there are various reactions which takes place in your enzymes. Now, how the enzyme working? Very important. Mechanism of enzyme action. Before moving to mechanism, how the chemical reactions takes place with the help of the enzymes. Now, see students, where a new substrate is formed, BaOH2 or the H2SO4, BaSO4 plus 2H2O. Now, see, the sulfate group has been broken down from the H2 and is being attached to your Ba. Barium sulfate is being formed, and by removing of the two molecules of water. The rate of chemical reaction or the velocity of reaction, the speed of a chemical reaction is known as the velocity of chemical reaction, that is rate at which the product is formed. Difference between catalyst and the enzymes. Now see, what is catalyst, what is enzyme? Catalyst can function easily at a high temperature, but enzyme, except some thermostable one, cannot work at the higher temperature. They get inactive at the higher temperature. Enzyme effectivity. A reaction, carbon dioxide plus water gives you carbonic acid. Without enzyme, the carbonic anhydrous is able to produce the 6 lakh molecules per second, but that is 10 million times faster than without enzymes. Mechanism of enzyme action. Now, very important part, when you talk about the mechanism of enzyme action, it is working as a lock and key model or as induced fit model. Okay. Alright. So mechanism of enzyme action, when you talk about it, is your induced fit model. How the induced fit model or the lock and key model takes place. Now see, enzyme. Enzyme has one active site, okay, and one the substrate molecule where get attached. Substrate, for example, the raw material which has to get converted into product. Active site where the substrate is being bound. Now see, the substrate or enzyme, when they bind with each other, they form an enzyme substrate complex, and this enzyme substrate complex, again, now see, the substrate comes and bind to the enzyme, form the enzyme substrate complex. They, after sometimes what happens, this substrate get converted into your product, and they form, for a very short period of time, they form the product which is known as an enzyme product complex. This enzyme product complex cannot take place for a longer period of time. Now enzyme will release and the product will be formed. So they say that, see here student, the reaction enzyme plus substrate gives you enzyme substrate complex, which will get converted into product, and enzyme will be released and the product will be released. So they say that enzymes are the catalyst, are the biocatalyst which will enhance the speed of reaction without involving in the reaction. I repeat, the enzymes are the biocatalyst which will speed up the reaction without involving in the reaction or the product formation by lowering down the activation energy. Now the question arises that what do you mean by activation energy? Activation energy is the energy which will convert, which is responsible or which is required to convert your substrate into product. Very important one. Activation energy is needed for the transition of the substrate, that is the energy which is required by the substrate to get converted